Me quedé dormida. ¿Quedamos para las 5? Quedan solo 5 empanadas. How do you say this in English, or how do you understand these uses of verb quedar in Spanish? So I'm going to explain to you 4 important uses of verb quedar in Spanish. They are conjugation according to the different persons in the present and in the past. So, welcome to Native Spanish with Miss Lily, and we are going today to see this so important verb. Come with me, let's go! Here I go with examples and the explanation. Me quedé dormida. I fell asleep. Me quedé enganchada. I was hooked by a movie, for example, that I was watching. Quedé choqueada. I got shocked by the news, for example. Me quedé exhausta. After cleaning all the house, I got exhausted. Quedan solo 3 empanadas. There are only 3 pastries left. Queda muy poquito. There's only a little left. No me quedan ganas. I don't feel like. For example, no me quedan ganas de salir. I don't feel like going out. 4. Number 4. ¿Quedamos para las 5? Shall we meet at 5? Okay, so these are the uses, and now we are going to see the conjugation in the different tenses. Simple present and simple past, the most important ones, the ones you need to know. If you have any doubts, please remember, leave all your doubts here, down here, your questions, everything, and I will answer them to you. And remember to subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Well, and as I told you before, we are going to the different conjugations in the present and in the past. You know that these are the different pronouns in Spanish. Yo, I, vos in Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, and some other South American countries. Tú in Spain. Él o ella, ella in Spain, ella here in Argentina, especially Buenos Aires. Nosotros, nosotras. So here begin with plural persons. First person, second person, and third person singular. First person plural, nosotros, masculine, nosotras, feminine. Ustedes, again, South America, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay. In Spain, vosotros, masculine, vosotras, feminine. Ellos, ellas, or ellos, ellas. Remember that we pronounce double L as a sh sound, okay? Well, yo quedo. In the past, quedé. Vos o tú quedas. Vos o tú quedaste in the past. Él, ella, ella, queda, quedó in the past. Nosotros, nosotras quedamos, and it's the same in the past. Quedamos. Ustedes quedan, quedaron in the past. Vosotros, vosotras, this is in Spain, remember, quedáis, quedasteis in the past. Ellos, ellas, ellos, ellas, quedan in the present, quedaron in the past. See that ustedes, that is, as we use it, second person plural in Spanish, here in Buenos Aires or Argentina and some other places in South America, is the same as the third person plural. Quedan, quedan, quedaron, quedaron. All right? Well, okay, I hope you can use it, and if you have any doubts, please leave that in the commentaries. Send me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will go on uploading more videos about the Spanish language. Bye-bye, see you next time.